0 meter per second. The initial velocity of x is 1 meter per second. X is 30 centimeter. That we need to convert to meter, so it's become 0.3 meter. Find the time taken that the bubble reach the floor. So we use the formula xx is equal to ux multiplied by time. Into this formula, sx is 0.3 ux 1 meter per second multiplied by 0.3 second. To find the displacement of y, we use the formula sy equal to ut multiplied by time minus 1 over 2 gt square. Substitute the value into this formula. Ut multiplied by time is equal to 0 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 0.3 square. So the final answer is 0.44 meter.
Okay, based on the question, we want to calculate how long will the ball to hit the ground. So we can use the formula sy equal to uyt minus 1 over 2 gt square. First we want to calculate uy, so we can use the equation uy equals to u sin theta. We can substitute the value of u. 40 sin theta is 50, so we got 30.64 meter per second. Okay, for sy is equal to 0 because sy is represent to the height. So we substitute to the formula 30.64 multiplied by t minus 1 over 2 g is 9.81 t square. So we got this equation. We can calculate using the calculator. So we got the value of t is 6.25 second. Okay, for the second question, we want to know how far will the ball to hit the ground. So we can use the formula sx equal to uxt. Okay, first we must calculate ux, so we use formula u cos theta. So u is 40, theta is 50. We will got 25.71 meter per second. So we substitute to the formula, we will got 160.7 meter.
I'm going to solve question number 3, which is we will find sy. Sy is the distance from the ground to the roof. When a ball thrown with speed 20 meters per second, with the angle 37 degrees, it will land on the roof. So first we will find ux. X component we will use cos, so u cos theta. We substitute 20 cos 37 equal to 15.97 meter per second. Then using formula sx uxt, we will find t. So t equal to sx divided with ux. Substitute sx, which is 24, divided with 15.97. So t equal 1.5 second. Then we will find sy, which is sy using formula sy equal to uy multiplied with t minus 1 over 2 gt square. Substitute uy, which is we find u sin theta. Substitute 20 sin 37 equal 12.04 meter per second. Substitute in this formula, multiply with 1.5 seconds minus 1 over 2, multiply with gravity, which is 9.81, and t square 1.50 square. So this one we will get 18.06, and for this one we will get 11.04. So solve this one and we will get SY equals 7.02 meter.
To calculate the time taken, we can use the formula Sy equals to Uyt minus 1 over 2 gt square. The value of Sy is already given, which is Sy equal to 80 meter. The value of Uy is equal to 0 because the projectile is fired horizontally. Then we can substitute the value into the formula. 80 equal to 0 multiplied by t minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 9.81 t square. After we get this equation, we can use the calculator to get the value of t, which is 4.04 seconds. To find the length from the foot of the cliff to the location the projectile will strike, which is Sx, we can use the formula Sx equal to Uxt. We can substitute the value into the formula, which is 330 multiplied by 4.04 equals to 1330.2 meters. To find the velocity it will strike at this point, we can derive the component of v from this into this, which is we can use the formula theorem Pythagoras. The value of Vx is equal to Ux, which is 330 ms minus 1. For the value of Vy, we can calculate by using the formula Vy equals to Uy minus Gt. 0 minus 9.81 multiplied by 4.04 equals to negative 39.63 ms minus 1. Then we can substitute the value of Vx and Vy into the formula, which is square root of 330 square plus negative 39.63 square equals to 332.37 ms minus 1. But we didn't know the value of t, so we need to find the t using the formula. Lepas tu kau cakap lah Sy equals to, kalau boleh, perempuan.
Dia perempuan, aku lelaki.
Lelaki. Jangan.
Aku dengar cakap je.
Aku kena tunjuk.
Maksudnya aku tengok balik soalan dia.
Oh,
Aduh.
okay. Bila dah ada formula, kau jangan pandang kita.
Based on the question that we give, you will get theta u. So the question one, how long? Aku tak test je. Aku tak boleh.
Okay, now we're going to solve question number 3, which is we will find Sy. Sy is distance from the ground to the roof. which is when a ball thrown with a speed 20 meter per second with angle 37 degree, it will land on a roof. So firstly we'll find T because salah.
This question, to calculate how far from the starting point to the end point, which is Sx, we can use this formula. But to get this formula,
Based on this question, we will use this formula Sy equal to Uy minus 8. Knowing